Hello, my name is Charlotte and welcome to my pitch. So the residents in my apartment building in Woolloongabba, Brisbane are not recycling as much as they could be. I discovered this problem by thinking about what I was experiencing in my own life. I had been an avid recycler when living in houses, but had become lazy and had not been recycling as much since moving to this apartment building. I thought, was the problem me? Did others experience the same issue? Was this even that big of an issue? And if so, were there any solutions? My early engagement with the UN Sustainable Development Goals taught me that not recycling is in fact an issue and something we all need to do to achieve Goal 12, Target 12.5, which aims to substantially reduce waste generation through prevention, reduction, recycling, and reuse. I sought to collect evidence from a resident survey, a photographic study, and additional research. This evidence overwhelmingly suggested that I was not just experiencing this problem alone. Many other residents, although finding recycling important, only participated in recycling some of the time. This was because recycling had been made significantly less convenient through poor design choices in apartment building design and management. This was reflected in the photographs taken and the additional research, which highlighted the same issue occurring in different apartment buildings across the country. Obviously, this was an issue that needed solving. During my brainstorming, I came up with many solutions. I ended up narrowing these solutions down by asking a few questions. Was the solution ethical? Was it possible with current technology? Would it be able to be sustained? Was it in the interest of all stakeholders? Solutions such as installing a diverter, installing a dual chute system, having drones collect the recycling, repurposing a car park space, and altering cabinetry were all ultimately rejected as they did not meet all of the criteria. I eventually narrowed down my options to the best solution to the problem: to use the existing single chute 1 day per week for recycling. I will also educate the residents about recycling to create a culture of recycling in the building, promoting residents to have the motivation to participate. This solution is very convenient for residents and does not cost much to implement. The downside is that 1 day per week, it does make disposing of general waste slightly less convenient. And this solution could be improved by finding a way to make recycling all items more convenient all of the time. This solution isn't perfect. Residents may misuse the chute, and the chute cannot process all recyclable objects like big boxes. However, this is definitely the best solution available currently. I will know if the solution has worked if all three success indicators are identified. Firstly, there will be an increased volume of recyclable material collected each week in the large council recycle bins in the car park. Secondly, material in the car park recycling bins will be all recyclable and disposed of correctly. Thirdly, residents' attitudes regarding recycling and the convenience of participating in recycling will improve. Thank you so much for listening to my pitch.